Welcome. I am your trainer, experienced trainer, and a mentor, Ebony Caldwell with REI Investment Society. I'm excited that you are enrolling or have enrolled in virtual real estate wholesaling in 30 days. Here's the thing about this course. You're definitely going to learn everything you need to know step by step in 30 days. But not only are you going to learn it in 30 days, you're going to be able to close your first deal within 30 days. So let me explain why. Because number one, I'm your instructor. I'm the one who created this course. I created this course by being in this business for over 20 years, trying to learn real estate investing myself, trying to learn real estate wholesaling myself. And unfortunately, this type of course was not created when I was coming up in the business. I didn't have mentors when I was coming up in the business. So look at me as your mentor online right now. So virtual real estate wholesaling in 30 days is awesome because it's going to teach you step by step, not only just wholesaling, how to find the buyers and sellers, how to make money online where you're sleeping, how to analyze a deal, how to look up comparables, how to be able to read a contracted scope of work. Why is that important? Because when you're in the process of getting rid of that deal and trying to assign the deal or resell a deal to another investor, you need to have your numbers correct. So what you will also learn in this course is how to know what's a good deal, how to be able to walk away from a deal. And if you're a realtor, guess what? You still come to the right place because I'm also a realtor, a licensed realtor, as well as a real estate investor, a trainer, and a mentor. And yes, I have done new construction and anything you could think of in real estate investing. But here's why this is a great course for realtors also. As a realtor, you are going to come across wholesalers and real estate investors. And the worst thing in the world is to not understand their language, understand what they're trying to do, understand that real estate investors and wholesalers, they're looking for real deals, deals with equity. So do you know what those deals are? That's what you will learn. You will learn to be a real estate investor yourself. In this course, from A to Z, you will get everything that you need as a wholesaler, a real estate investor, a flipper, or a realtor. I look forward to seeing you on the other side. And any questions and answers you have once you enroll, please feel free to ask them, and I will definitely make sure I answer. Bye-bye.